Welcome to the most anticipated tech battle of the year. In this corner, we have the mighty iPhone 15 Pro Max, the epitome of Apple's engineering brilliance. And in the other corner, we have the formidable Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, a beacon of Samsung's innovation. Today, we're going to dissect these titans, compare their features, specifications, and ultimately help you decide which one reigns supreme. The design and display are the first things you notice about a smartphone. The iPhone 15 Pro Max boasts a sleek design with a 6.7-inch OLED display featuring ProMotion technology for a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. On the opposing side, the Samsung S23 Ultra, slightly heavier, showcases a 6.8 inches dynamic AMOLED 2x display, also flaunting the coveted 120Hz refresh rate. When it comes to resolution, Samsung takes the lead with a higher pixel density, offering a resolution of 3088 by 1440 at 500 pixels per inch compared to iPhone's 2796 by 1290 at 460 pixels per inch. The battle of iOS versus Android never gets old. The iPhone 15 Pro Max runs on the latest iOS 17, known for its efficiency and security. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra rocks Android 13 with One User Interface 5.1, delivering a highly customizable and feature-rich experience. In terms of performance, both phones are equipped with powerful processors, ensuring swift multitasking and seamless user experience. Having ample storage and memory is crucial for both operations and the ability to store your precious memories. The iPhone 15 Pro Max offers 256GB, 512GB, and a whopping 1TB storage variants, accompanied by 8GB of RAM. Meanwhile, the Samsung S23 Ultra offers the same storage options but provides a choice of 8GB or 12GB of RAM, giving users more flexibility. Cameras are the highlight of any smartphone. The iPhone 15 Pro Max features a 48-megapixel primary rear camera, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 12-megapixel telephoto lens, while the Samsung S23 Ultra raises the bar with an astonishing 200-megapixel primary rear camera, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. Both phones offer incredible video capabilities, but the S23 Ultra's 8K recording at 30 FPS is certainly a standout feature. Beyond the specs, both phones comes with an array of additional features. They both offer water resistance with an IP68 rating, ensuring durability. Biometric-wise, iPhone 15 Pro Max uses Face ID for secure authentication, while Samsung S23 Ultra incorporates an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor and face recognition. Both phones support 5G connectivity, promising blazing fast internet speeds. The iPhone 15 Pro Max battery details remain unclosed, but it supports 20 watts wireless charging, and unfortunately lacks reverse wireless charging. On the other hand, the Samsung S23 Ultra boasts a 5000 mAh battery and supports super fast charging 2.0 at 45 watts, fast wireless charging 2.0, and wireless power share. In the world of apps, iPhone 15 Pro Max relies on the trusted Apple App Store, while the Samsung S23 Ultra thrives on the Google Play Store. Both these tech giants start at a price of $1,199. As we conclude this comparison, it's clear that both the iPhone 15 Pro Max and Samsung S23 Ultra offer incredible features and specifications, each tailored to meet the demands for their respective user base. Choosing between them ultimately comes down to personal preferences, whether it's the operating system, camera capabilities, design, or brand loyalty. The decision is yours to make based on what suits your needs and preferences best. Stay tuned for more tech showdowns and reviews.